Hello everyone, welcome to EzzyCann. I have been wanting to do this video for quite long. Today decided to do it. So I bought two DHL boxes full of iPhone boxes. As per the sellers, some of them may have accessories, some may not. So I just bought them as part of my collection. I just paid $20 each box. So in total I got $40. I paid $40 for these two boxes. Let's unbox the boxes and unbox the iPhone boxes within these boxes. Let's start with this box first. So I put this box below. Quite heavy though. Okay, what we got here is sealed, kind of sealed DHL box. Let me use my knife to open it. Okay. 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 It's full of boxes. It's full of iPhone boxes. So I'll put this way and take one by one.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me.
Guys, my hands are painful until I unbox. We have more than half of the box, so we'll go through one by one. I need to take a break.
Feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all
finished unboxing all the items. Finish unboxing all the boxes. It's a kind of situation here. So you can see the boxes are at this side. So we have hundreds of boxes here. I haven't counted them. And Lobo is here. Yes, Lobo. Yes, Lobo, what are you looking at? Yes, Lobo? Lobo is here for my help. Actually, he don't help me on anything. Then we have the boxes here. We have all the cable. At first, I was so organized. I put the chargers, cables, and the headphones in 3 different places. But it came to a point that I cannot control anymore. So I just dump everything at one. And we have the boxes all empty. DHL boxes empty, some boxes fallen down. So I'll arrange all this together, then we'll see how many boxes we have. Hello everyone. So finally I managed to unbox the 100 iPhone boxes. So from these boxes, there's no phones, it's only accessories I managed to find. So there are quite a lot of accessories. Most of them are 3.5mm jack earphones, and we have few lightning earphones and a lot of lightning cables and charging adapters. So these are probably US pins, the smaller ones, quite cute. I'm thinking of making a art project using these items. So let me go through the boxes. So we have the iPhone 5C boxes here, then some iPad boxes behind. So these are the iPad Air first generation, I believe. Then iPhone 5C, followed by iPhone 5, 5S, 5S. Then we have a lot of 5 SE, iPhone 5 SE boxes. We have quite a lot. Then here are our chargers, the chargers in the middle. Then we have some earphones, 3.5mm jack earphones, and also have 3.5mm jack earphones at this side. We have almost around 45 earphones, a lot of lightning cables, a lot. You see a lot of lightning cables, a lot of charging adapters. Then we have iPhone 6 here. Then we have quite a lot of 6S, 6 Plus. We have 6S here, 6S Plus here. Then we have our iPhone 7s. We have 3 iPhone 7s. We have 1 iPhone 7, and we have one iPhone X box, and few iPad mini boxes as well. So if you want to take a look at this side, from this side is the view. Quite a lot of boxes. I may be doing an art project or 1 or more 2 videos with these iPhone boxes. So that's all, guys. So that's what we got using these items. I'm also planning to do a artifact. Let me see, I'm thinking what I can do with these heads without throwing them away, or because these are the older generation. Output is only 1 ampere, 5 volt 1 amperes, not the newer fast charging ones. So let's see what we can do with these items. Thank you for watching.